To export Semrush projects, you need to follow a series of steps that allow you to download and save your project data for further analysis or reporting. First, log into your Semrush account and navigate to the Projects tab, where you can view all your existing projects. Select the project you want to export by clicking on it, and then click on the Settings icon, which is usually represented by 3 dots. From the drop-down menu, select the Export option. You will be presented with various export options, including exporting to CSV, Excel, or PDF. Choose the format that best suits your needs, and then select the specific data you want to export, such as keyword rankings, backlinks, or technical audit data. You can also customize the export by selecting the date range and the specific metrics you want to include. Once you have made your selections, click on the Export button to start the download process. Depending on the size of your project and the amount of data you are exporting, this process may take a few seconds or several minutes. Once the export is complete, you can open the file and view your project data, which can be used for further analysis, reporting, or sharing with colleagues or clients. It is a good practice to regularly export your project data to track progress over time and to have a backup of your project information. Additionally, exporting your project data can help you to identify trends and patterns that may not be immediately visible within the Semrush platform. By following these steps, you can easily export your Semrush projects and gain valuable insights into your digital marketing efforts. Remember to always choose the correct export format and to select the most relevant data for your needs. This will help you to make the most out of your exported project data and to drive informed decisions in your marketing strategy.